Hi everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 82, Greatest Common Factor, or GCF. Okay, so the greatest common factor is we've been practicing finding common factors. So the greatest common factor is the biggest number that is a factor of both numbers. We use the abbreviation GCF, so we don't have to write out greatest common factor. So this asks us to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 20. So first let's list the factors of 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now let's list the factors of 20. So that's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So let's go ahead and circle the common factors. So 1 is the same, 2 is the same, 4, and that's it. So the greatest common factor is the largest number that is a factor of both. In this case, it's 4. So the greatest common factor is equal to 4. Okay. All right, and we can also use greatest common factors to help us reduce fractions. So it says use the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 to reduce 8/20ths. So we found out the greatest common factor is 4. So we're going to take 8/20ths and divide the top and the bottom by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay? Using the greatest common factor just helps us answer the question quicker, because I could do 8/20ths, and I could divide both of them by 2, and that would give me 4/10ths. And since they're both even, I would have to divide them again by 2 and get 2/5. So dividing by the greatest common factor just saves us a step. Okay, let's find the greatest common factor of these numbers. So 6 and 9. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So the greatest common factor of 6 and 9 is 3. Okay, all right, so let's do the next one. So it's 6 and 10. So let's go ahead and erase this one. So let's find the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10. So the greatest common factor of 6 and 10 is going to be 2. Oops. There we go. All right, but what about 6 and 12? Okay, so 12, our factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So the greatest common factor here is going to be 6. And finally, we have 12 and 15. Okay, so we have 15. So we have 1, 3, 5, and 15. So the greatest common factor here is 3. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.